Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can update your product title and product description for WordPress WooCommerce website. So basically we are not changing the original product title and description, but we are only modifying the transaction detail inside the PayPal. So how we can modify, I will give you a complete demo. So basically we are going to update the product title and product description with something else, because some of the products, if we are selling online, so those are not supported by PayPal, and PayPal is basically limiting our account permanently or maybe holding the payments because of this issue. So we have solved this issue by just updating the product title and description from transaction details only. So if a customer is placing an order, and he will definitely see on our website the original product title and original price, original product description. But once we are receiving the payment, then in our PayPal account, all the details will be modified details. So those will be aligned with the policy of the PayPal. So in that way, our money will not be holded by the PayPal, and our account will be safe from the limitation. So let me show you a complete demo. So here on my WordPress website dashboard, you can see that I have the product title, product description, and the price. If I will preview this product, you can see that I have this test product, and we have $10 and we have a small description also. So I wanted to modify this price from the dashboard again. So instead of $10, I am going to put it $8. All right. So let me see the preview now. Now you can see that we have product title as a test product, and we have the price, which is $8. And now let me try to click on add to cart, and then click on view cart, and then after you should click on checkout, and here we have the PayPal button. So you need to place the order. So you should make sure that if you have a PayPal credit card button also, so this is also applicable for that. Product title and descriptions will be modified for that also. So let me log into my PayPal account. So once you logged into your PayPal account, so it is loading for a while, and then you should click on pay now. So once the transaction is complete, here we go. Now you can see that we have the thank you page where we have the original product title and original price. And now let me log into my PayPal account dashboard, and let's see how it looks in the transaction. So once I logged into my seller account of the PayPal, so here we have the transaction history. So if you will see, here we have $8. So let me click on this transaction, and now you can see that we have all the product details. We have the modified product title, and we have modified product description. So you can update. Right now I have added static product title and static product description. So instead of this, you can modify to any other name also. So for example, if you are interested to put any order ID, product ID, so that I have already explained in my next video. So for this video, I have only modified the product title and product description, and you can see that the price is $8. So this information you are only seeing in your PayPal account. This update we have done for ourselves, because if we had to modify our product details in front of PayPal, they will actually see that our product is quite legal and we have no problem selling and receiving the payments. So that's how we can actually maintain the transparency with our PayPal. If we are selling any medical product and we need any kind of license for that, so you know that if we don't have any license or any approval, so we cannot sell all those things using PayPal. So once we are updating the title, then PayPal will not able to detect that what exactly we are selling. So we can add the suitable title which is aligned with the policy of the PayPal, and then that product we can sell online from our WordPress WooCommerce website. So that's how we are actually safe from the PayPal account limitation. If you need any help regarding this solution, so I have already given the contact details below in the description. You can directly ask me the questions, and I will definitely help you out in that. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.